Hello viewers, welcome to AB Designer. Today we are going to create knuckle joint consist of 5 different parts. We are going to design all the parts one by one, starting with the single iron. This is the drawing sheet of single iron. You can pause the video and try it by yourself, or else you can continue to watch the video. So here we have created the rectangular as per the given dimensions and extruded from the mid plane. Later on we'll select a plane and we'll draw a circle. So the circle radius would be 30 and we'll extrude it. Extruding will be of 33 mm. Okay, so extruding will be of 36 mm and from mid plane, so that there would be some extra length. Later on we can fillet that part. We'll select this plane and we'll sketch a right angle triangle. Both the horizontal and vertical length would be 11 mm. So we'll create a triangle. We'll give the dimension. Now we'll create a vertical line from midpoint and a horizontal line. Now we'll select the entity and mirror it around the horizontal surface. We'll select mirror about and horizontal surface, and yeah, again mirror entities, both the entities, and we'll mirror it along the vertical plane. Once it is done, we'll delete the lines and we'll extrude cut at 45 mm. This will be the final. Now we'll fillet it, all the four corners. The radius will be of course 13 mm, and we'll take it. Once that is done, we'll fillet this remaining two of the edges. The radius will be 3 mm. Once this is done, we'll select the plane for the sketch. We'll sketch a circle. First of all, normal to the plane and then a circle. 15 mm radius circle, and we'll extrude it to the length of 20 mm. Now we'll select the top plane and draw a circle of radius. We'll draw a radius of 15 mm and we'll extrude cut it from the mid plane, and here it is our single iron ready. Now next up is the collar. We'll select the top plane and we'll draw two circles, both having diameter of 45 mm and 30 mm. We'll extrude the outer circle and this will be a ring type structure. The extrude length will be 15 mm. Once this is done, we'll select the front plane to sketch. We'll select the line and we'll draw a horizontal line and a vertical line. We'll draw a circle where there is the intersection. The radius will be 3. Then extrude it from the mid plane. And our collar is ready. Here it is. Now we are going to create a taper pin. We'll select the front plane, draw a circle of radius 3 mm and then extrude it for 60 mm length. I hope you guys get everything that we have done up till here. Now let's move forward to knuckle pin. This is the dimensional sheet of knuckle pin. Initially we'll select the top plane and draw a circle of diameter 45 mm and extrude it to the length of 15 mm. Yes. Next up, we'll select this plane and we'll draw a circle radius of 15 mm. And we'll extrude it to the length of 102 mm. We'll select the front plane, again go to the sketch, normal to the plane. We'll draw a circle at the center somewhere here and we'll give the smart dimension, that is 15 mm. The radius will be 6 mm and extrude cut it. And here is our knuckle pin. Up till here I hope it is clear. Now we'll create the two eye end part. Now we will create two eye end part. So initially we'll select the front plane for the sketching. We'll draw two circles, both having a radius of 36 mm and 18 mm. Now we'll draw the line, a horizontal line to both ends of the circle, top and bottom end of the circle. We'll trim the entities, unwanted entities, and then we'll give the horizontal length as 20 mm to each of the horizontal line. Now we'll select the midpoint line, and from the circle's point midpoint we'll draw a line of 36 mm, and we'll draw a horizontal line that intersects the circle from both the points. Trim the unwanted entities from here as well as from here. Now we'll give the length to both the horizontal line as 73 mm, and we'll close the design from all the side. Now it is a closed loop entity, and we can now extrude it. So we'll extrude it. We'll select the sketch and extrude it from the mid plane, and the extruding length will be 36 mm. We'll hide the sketch. Now we'll select the top plane and define some geometric reference plane. So once selecting top plane, we'll give the distance as 18 mm. One more time we'll select the top plane and give the reference geometry plane. We'll create a reference geometry plane. We'll flip the offset and done. Now we'll create the design on plane 1. We'll select the line first of all. We'll give the distance as 24 mm. We'll create a circle of radius. We'll create a circle of radius 30 mm, and we'll delete the line. We'll draw another circle of 15 mm radius. We'll extrude the geometry from a single plane, not from the mid plane, through all. We'll do through all or blind. We'll give the distance as 22 mm, and we'll mirror the extrude on the other side by selecting top plane, and we have done it. Now we'll select this plane for the sketch. We'll draw a rectangle same as that we had drawn in single eye and the right angle triangle. The both horizontal and vertical lines would be of 12 mm. So we'll give the distance as 12 mm, and we'll draw another same triangle as 12 mm. We'll draw a vertical line from the mid, and we'll mirror the entities. Both the triangles will select and mirror about a vertical line. Once this is done, we'll delete the vertical line, and then we'll extrude cut. It would be of 45 mm. Now we'll fillet all the four corners and that two upper side and lower side corners as well. This four corner fillet radius is 10 mm. We'll fillet this and another corner as well. The radius would be 3 mm. Okay, let's take it as 4, and here as well 4 mm. We'll draw a circle of radius 15 mm, and we'll extrude it for the length as 15 mm. So here is the double iron. We have successfully created all the 5 parts for the knuckle joint. If you guys have any doubt, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.